Welcome back to MarineMax. My name is Leo Johnson, and today you join me in front of a brand new in-stock 2026 Boston Whaler 160 Super Sport. This is one of the best boats to drive on the market. It's an amazing package. This particular boat optioned in the white with the blue Boston Whaler lettering. It's got the blue canvas as well, and it does come on this galvanized swing tongue trailer that you see here. This boat's been optioned with the 90 horsepower engine upgrade, which complements that ski tow bar option very nicely. As you come inside the boat, this one is set up very well to accept some bucket seats or a padded bench, should you choose. We've optioned the cooler here, which can also have a cushion over the top, as well as a bow cushion that can be added after the fact. This boat is very simple to use. It's got one switch for your navigation and anchor lights up on the dash, just below your tachometer. Stainless steel steering wheel, and you've got the windshield equipped on this boat as well. Just under the windshield, you'll see a latch there that opens up a glove box storage. It's a watertight place to keep your phone, keys, things like that. Plenty of cup holders on the boat as well, all throughout. Stainless steel grab rails on the inside, and this particular boat has also been optioned with the stainless steel split bow rail up front. Makes for a nice, safe, and secure feeling when you're riding up at the bow. This is a phenomenal boat for those looking to get out on the water. A very easy turnkey boat to use, great for taking on vacation, great for the kids, great for the whole family. This one is in stock and available now here at MarineMax Lake Norman. Give us a call, check us out at marinemax.com, or stop by today to learn more. Thanks for watching.